Hi guys, I'm going into Michael's. I'm going to see what they have for fall. All right, so I'm panning around just to give you kind of a feel of Michael's, how it looks with the fall stuff. They have some cute pillows. All right, and a lot of scarecrows. These scarecrows are cute. There are scarecrows in every store right now. So I've seen a lot of scarecrows lately. Okay, so we'll start over here. You know, it's a little messy. I don't know, my Michael's, I don't know, it's always a little messy when I go in, but anyway, I'm gonna just show you what I have. Okay, so this is signs. They're really cute. I like these two. And then they have like a full sign, a little wagon. It's a little messy like I told you guys. There's so many pumpkins, cute little signs. People are already going in the stores and buying stuff. I can't believe it. So early in August. That was pretty, that glass pumpkin, candlesticks. These wooden signs are cute. I love them. Pillows again. I love that pumpkin patch. I think I'm going to pick that up. And that's a cute like little easel sign, which I think that's adorable. Farmer's Market is really nice. I love this sign, what it says. I think this would be nice like in a kitchen or a dining room when you gather around to eat. Very cute. I have that from last year. I love that sign. Little Farmer's Market with the cow. More signs. Pumpkins. The red little truck and the red little truck pillow. The little green truck up there, which is cute. And then more signs, of course. Those are cute, those canisters, pumpkins. I love that farm fresh milk. I think I'm gonna buy that one too. And more signs, the little red truck again. Welcome to the patch. Pumpkin patch. Okay, this is another aisle, but it looks like it has some things that we've already seen. That's what I'm saying. It's a little not organized. Anyway, this fall sign is cute. That's the Farmer's Market again. They had it in a different section. That's a cute garland. Cute little owls. Okay, and pumpkin patch again, like I told you, is a different section, but I love that sign. Okay, and I love this sign. I'm definitely getting this. I just love it. It's good quality. It's real glass. Okay, more like those milk jugs. Cute little signs. Some wooden crates. Pumpkins. More pumpkins. Okay. I love this section. I just want to show you. I think they said this is the fall, but this is very shabby chic, very my style. I just love this. Those pillows, that welcome sign galvanized, those candles. That sign's nice too. That blanket is very soft. And then I just love those corbels and those baskets. And look at that wreath, so unique. And then more corbel, they're kind of like cementish. So I just love a basket. I love those little mirrors. This is more like a shabby chic look. All right, so stay tuned for my haul, the full haul coming up soon. All right, bye. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.